Hello, it's Roger from MiWayJourneys. Join me on an unforgettable adventure as we traverse the legendary Hadrian's Wall path. Stretching 84 miles across northern England, this path traces the footsteps of Roman legionaries, offering a captivating blend of history, nature, and adventure. Our journey begins in Newcastle upon Tyne and winds its way westward to the tranquil shores of Bowness-on-Solway. Along the way, we'll encounter remnants of a bygone era, from crumbling walls and imposing forts to charming villages and awe-inspiring vistas. Picture the imposing structure of Hadrian's Wall, a formidable barrier built on the orders of Emperor Hadrian in AD 122 to mark the northernmost boundary of the Roman Empire. Our adventure will take us through rolling hills and verdant valleys, past charming villages and ancient ruins. Get ready to immerse yourselves in the stories and legends that cling to these ancient stones, to feel the spirit of adventure coursing through your veins, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Our adventure commences in Newcastle upon Tyne, a city that pulsates with a vibrant blend of history and modernity. As we wander through its bustling streets, it's hard to imagine that beneath the modern facade lies a city steeped in Roman history. It was here, on the banks of the River Tyne, that the Romans established the fort of Ponce Aelius, a strategic stronghold that guarded the river crossing and served as a vital supply base for the legions stationed along Hadrian's Wall. Today, remnants of Newcastle's Roman past can still be found, offering glimpses into a bygone era. As we explore the city, we'll uncover traces of its rich history, from medieval castles and Victorian architecture to its industrial past as a center for coal mining and shipbuilding. Take a stroll along the iconic quayside, marvel at the architectural masterpiece of the Tyne Bridge, or delve into the city's thriving culinary scene, sampling local delicacies and soaking up the lively atmosphere. Newcastle is a city that effortlessly blends its rich heritage with a modern, forward-looking spirit. Leaving the bustling city behind, we venture into the rolling countryside, our footsteps carrying us closer to the ancient wonders that await. Our first stop takes us to Hadrian-on-the-Wall, a charming village that lies in the shadow of Hadrian's Wall. Here, the echoes of history are palpable as we stand before the remnants of this once mighty barrier, its weathered stones whispering tales of a bygone era. As we walk alongside the wall, its sheer scale and ingenuity become apparent. At Hadrian-on-the-Wall, we encounter one of the most well-preserved sections of the wall, its imposing structure still standing sentinel over the surrounding landscape. With each step, we delve deeper into the history of this remarkable structure, its stories unfolding like chapters in a captivating novel. Our journey takes us onward to Chawlerford, a village that lies on the banks of the River North Tyne. Here we encounter one of the most impressive and well-preserved Roman sites along the entire wall, Chester's Roman Fort. This fort, known in Roman times as Calurnum, was a key strategic outpost, guarding a vital crossing point on the river. The fort has been meticulously excavated and partially reconstructed, giving us a vivid glimpse into the lives of the Roman soldiers who were stationed here. Explore the remains of the barracks, imagine the clatter of hooves in the stables, and marvel at the ingenious underfloor heating system in the bathhouse. As we leave Chester's fort behind, we carry with us a deeper understanding of the Roman military machine and the lives of the soldiers who manned this remote outpost of the empire. Our trek continues, and the landscape begins to shift and change as we venture deeper into the heart of Northumberland National Park. Our next stop, Once Brood, is a place where history and nature collide in spectacular fashion, offering breathtaking views and a sense of awe-inspiring grandeur. Today, it's a popular stopping point for hikers on the Hadrian's wall path, offering stunning views of the wall as it snakes its way over the rugged landscape. One of the most iconic and photographed spots along the entire wall is located just a short distance from Once Brood Sycamore Gap. Sadly, the witness tree was felled in 2023. The solitary sycamore tree stood majestically in a dramatic dip in the wall. Now, young saplings grow from the trunk of that once Roman witness tree. The dramatic backdrop of Sycamore Gap, with the wall snaking its way over the rolling hills, has served as a backdrop for countless films and television shows, further cementing its status as one of the most iconic images of Hadrian's Wall and the rugged beauty of Northumberland National Park. As we walk along the ancient stones of Hadrian's Wall, it's easy to feel a sense of tranquility. The whispers of the past seem to float on the breeze, telling tales of Roman soldiers and the lives they led here. Venturing into the city, we find ourselves surrounded by remnants of Roman heritage. The architecture, the artifacts, and the very streets themselves echo with stories of a bygone era. As we reflect on our journey, we realize how much we've learned and experienced. The history of Hadrian's Wall isn't just about the stones and ruins. It's about understanding the people who lived and worked here, their struggles and their triumphs. As we conclude our exploration of Hadrian's Wall, we hope you feel inspired to visit and discover its wonders for yourself. For those planning a trip, remember to check local guides for the best routes and accommodations. Whether you're a history buff or simply looking for a scenic adventure, Hadrian's Wall has something to offer everyone. Thank you for joining me, and please like and subscribe to MiWayJourneys channel for more epic journeys.